Welcome to Sky Broking Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Major data of this week has inflation-related data and the major event like ECB press conference on Thursday. Now let's see the precious metals outlook. Gold and silver has news like gold tumbled from its $1,900 perch on Thursday after data showing weekly US employment claims at the lowest since the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic in mid-March 2020. The suggestion of a marked improvement in the labor market sent gold's rivals US bond yields and the dollar surging instead as COMEX futures tumbled to Thursday at low $1,866.85. The Labor Department's non-farm payrolls for all of May showed that the US added 5,59,000 new jobs in May. Fundamentally, it's a slight positive news for precious metals, and technically speaking, gold may expect a mixed trade with support of 47971 and resistance of 49237 levels. Silver may expect a mixed trade with support of 69744 and resistance of 73275 levels. These are the major precious metals outlook. Now let's see the energy outlook. First is crude oil. It has a news like the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and allies on Tuesday said that they would stick to agreed supply restraints. Rising demand and the fast pace of vaccinations in countries such as the United States have boosted oil. The fifth round of negotiations will heat up by next week, and that should keep oil prices supported as Tehran will stick to their red lines for restoring their nuclear deal. Fundamentally, this is positive news for crude oil, and technically speaking, crude oil may expect a positive bias with resistance of 5156 levels, and from there it may expect a mild profit booking. Next is natural gas. It has a news like the US natural gas storage capacity has remained flat over the past 8 years. Fundamentally, this is a positive news for natural gas, and technically speaking, natural gas may expect a positive rally with resistance of 231.8 levels, and once if it closes above 231.8 means huge upsurge is expected in coming days. These are the major energy outlook. Now let's see the base metals outlook. First is copper. It has a news like stocks of copper in Shanghai bonded areas decreased on smaller arrivals. This is fundamentally a slight positive news for copper, and technically speaking, copper remains in a profit booking rally with support of 725.7 levels. Next is aluminum. It has a news like premiums in Germany and Thailand at fresh highs, US premium slips. This is fundamentally a mixed news for aluminum, and technically speaking, aluminum may expect a mixed trade with resistance of 201.25 and support of 186. And if it closes below 186 means then selling pressure may increase. Next is lead. It has the news like overall consumption situation still did not improve significantly. This is fundamentally a negative news for lead, and technically speaking, lead has closed below 168, then selling pressure will increase with positional support of 161.7 levels. Next is zinc. It has a news like the supply of smelting continued to recover in June and July. This is fundamentally a slight negative news for zinc, and technically speaking, zinc may expect a mixed trade with support of 230.25 and resistance of 241.25 levels. Next is nickel. It has a news like nickel ore inventories across all Chinese ports increased 2,52,000 WMT from May 28 to 5.95 million WMT as of June 4, showed SMM data. This is fundamentally a negative news for nickel, and technically speaking, nickel may expect a high volatility trade with resistance of 1333.7 levels and support of 1269.7 levels. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skycommodities.com. Thank you by Sky Broking.